Mastering direction-related prepositional phrases in English. Hello, English learners. Today, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of prepositional phrases, specifically those related to direction. Remember, prepositions are little words that show relationships between other words. So let's get started on our journey through direction-related prepositional phrases. Direction-related prepositional phrases are phrases that indicate the direction or location of something or someone. The phrase typically consists of a preposition, an optional adjective, and a noun or pronoun. They are commonly used in English to help create clear and vivid descriptions, which makes them a vital part of conversational and written English. Some common prepositions used in these phrases include to, from, into, onto, across, through, around, and many others. Let's dive into some examples now. Remember, the more you practice and use these phrases, the more natural they will feel. 1. To, he went to the supermarket. 2. From, she came from the doctor's office. 3. Into, they walked into the dark cave. 4. Onto, the cat jumped onto the table. 5. Across, he swam across the river. 6. Through, she ran through the field. 7. Around, we walked around the park. Note how each phrase indicates a specific direction or location related to the verb in the sentence. Now it's your turn. Try creating your own sentences using these prepositions. Practice is key in becoming comfortable with using direction-related prepositional phrases in your English conversations and writings. And that wraps up our discussion on direction-related prepositional phrases. We've covered what they are, some common examples, and how to practice them. Remember, language learning is a journey, so don't get discouraged if you don't get it right away. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using these phrases like a pro. Happy learning and see you in our next video.